Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how you can export a list of Google group members in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when the manager needs a list of members of a Google group in Google Workspace. For example, a manager of engineering department needs a list of new interns. Let's see how Foresight helps us in getting this list fast and efficiently. Rule creation. Here is the engineering interns group. We will export all the members of this list. Step 1. Log into Foresight with Google admin account. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select Manual Trigger. Step 3. Select List Group Members Action. First, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in the Google Workspace account. Then, select the group email whose member you want to export. In the Columns field, leave the default columns. Indirect members are the members of a nested group, so leave that field to false. There is a help icon with every field that explains the purpose of field. Next, in the role field, select your choices. Scroll up and click on Add Next Action. Select Email Action. Here again, you may need to grant permissions to Foresight. Step 4. Enter the email of the manager to whom you want to send an email. Enter a subject and message body. In the message body, insert the CSV download link. Type double curly brackets and select the group member's CSV download link. Step 5. Now click Review. Enter the rule name and click Create. Rule triggering. Step 6. As you can see, the rule is created. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. Verifying results. The rule has been triggered. A notification will appear in the top right corner. Click on the notification icon and click Show All or go to the Logs page to see results. Click the link to download the CSV. Here is the list of 50 group members with all their data. Also, the manager has received an email with the CSV file. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.